How to switch Roblox web accounts on PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox, log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find settings on top right corner of your screen. Click on settings on top right corner of your screen and you'll find all these options pop up. Simply, you'll find switch account option. Below help and safety, click on switch accounts and you'll find another account. Simply click on another account and your account will be switched, or you can simply add new account and switch in this way. And this is how to switch Roblox web accounts on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.